This is Karachi's Jadid camp, a settlement just outside the city, once suspected as a hub of criminal activity. However, many of its residents are simply migrants who came to Pakistan in search for a better tomorrow. Haji Nadir took us to his home and offered us a taste of traditional Afghan culture. Even though this camp is close to Pakistan's financial capital, its residents still enjoy traditional Afghani cuisine and culturally significant crafts.
हमारा उम्र 17 साल का था, तकरीबन 18 था। हम लोग सब माँ बहन, एक हमारा भाई था, छोटा था वो। हम लोग पहाड़ में गड्ढा का ऊपर, घोड़ा का ऊपर आए हम लोग। तकरीबन हम लोग 1 महीने से ज़्यादा हम लोग मंजिल किया। उसी टाइम अफगानिस्तान में रूस का कब्जा में था। हम लोगों का अफगानिस्तान पहला घर, हम लोग दूसरा घर पाकिस्तान समझते।
Haji Nadir lives in a house with 13 other members of his family, only 4 of which have seen Afghanistan. His children are still frightened at the thought of crossing the border over to see where Haji Nadir grew up. They have heard about the bombings and insist they never want to go there. The situations for many Afghan migrants in Pakistan is becoming increasingly perilous as well as the war on terror intensifies.
जिस तरह इस साल जो हमने मुश्किलात देखा और बाकी सालों में हमने नहीं देखा था, इस साल जो है हमारे माजिरों को जेलों में जो है ना बंद किया गया। काफ़ी जुल्म तशद्दुद हमारे माजिरों के साथ हुआ। पिछला सालों में ऐसे नहीं हुआ था।
The government is currently attempting to circumvent this problem by updating the current proof of registration cards issued to Afghan migrants. The National Database and Registration Authority decided to issue cards complete with digital chips to help reduce cases of mistaken identity by the authorities.
Conversations on policy may unintentionally reduce the idea of migration to a statistic. However, it must not be forgotten that the phenomenon of migration comprises of thousands of individual stories.
Anam Munir, Dawn News, Karachi.